Hey loves, I am back again with a half up, half down hairstyle with my Kinkistry clip-ins. So per the usual, I start off with freshly washed hair. Now I'm just sectioning my hair for the twist and the mohawk. I'm just adding 3 small flat twists to each side of my hair now. Once you're done with the flat twists, I just start separating my hair to add 2-strand twists. I like to do a twist out to blend my natural hair with the Kinkistry clip-ins a lot better. In between each row of twists, I add a Kinkistry clip-in. You can add as many as you want per row. Now I'm just going to slick my hair up in a ponytail so I can lay down the Kinkistry clip-ins in the back. Now this is the easiest step. You literally just add a clip-in on each layer. You can add as many as you want to create the volume that you desire. I've already co-washed and added my product to the Kinkistry clip-ins off camera. I let them air dry a little bit just so I can have that volume that I desire. Now that the twists in the front are dry, I'm going to start unraveling to create that twist out type texture. Now I'm just pulling my hair into a ponytail. I'm going to pull the mohawk back into a ponytail as well, and then add the Kinkistry clip-ins to the ponytail. I like to clip in the clip-in to the braid part of the ponytail and then just wrap it around the braid. It makes it a lot easier. All right, so we are looking good. So add a little makeup and boom, we're all done. Thank you guys for watching.